Hi you guys, it's Lizzy and you're watching Lizzy's TV. So today I have a book that I ordered and it should be a very good book. It's a self-help book, but we're going to see. So I'm getting ready to open that for you guys so you can see what it is. And I'm ready to see. I'm so excited about this book because anything that I can use to kind of help me out during my lifetime, I can use it. Oh wow, beautiful cover. The Secret to Getting Unstuck by Erica John. This is the book I ordered, you guys. This is nice. This book has about, let me see, I think we got quite a few pages in here. We got, all right, about 200 pages in here, but it's really put together. It's pretty good. I really love the cover. I love the part here. Really nice. I like that black and white and gold. That's pretty. It says a guide to forming 5 habits that will transform your life and make you unrecognizable. Now, you know we all need that sometime in life. Definitely that, for sure. So let's see. I'm going to start reading this book. And I'm definitely going to do a review on this book. But I'm also, going to leave a link to this book if you'd like to get one for yourself. Once I let you know how amazing this book is probably going to be. But we have to wait and see until I read it. So we'll see how that's going to go. But yeah, I ordered it through Amazon. So it's easy to order. Really easy to order. And the secret to getting unstuck. That's what we're trying to figure out. What are the steps for us to move forward in life sometimes when we stressed, when we thinking negative, all those different things. Y'all know what I'm talking about. All right, so that's it, you guys. I'm going to start reading this book. I can't wait. I can't wait. I can't wait to see exactly what all Miss Erica John has packed in this volume book here. So I'll see you guys next time, and I'll let you know what my review is on this book, and we will see you later. Bye.